This is a quick appreciation post or video for Tom Jobbins aka The Bloke and Andreessen Horowitz aka A16Z. If you have been following my videos, you might know that I routinely install the quantized versions from the block on my local Linux, Windows, or in Notebook and then play around with it. If it were not due to the block's quantized version, I might not be able to do so many models in so many videos because if if I'll be using the full blown models, then it will be quite pricey to install because normally I try to either use the cheaper G4DN instances in AWS, or if it is possible, then Google Colab Notebook, either free or a bit of a paid version. Due to this quantized version, it is quite economical for me to do this labor of love. But if I wouldn't have access to this quantized version, it would be very hard for me to do so many models and then share these with you to learn more. Now, the bloke's work is really magnificent and fantastic. And if you look at a few of the models he has been doing, he is also crediting Andreessen Horowitz A16Z for the generous grant. Now, who is Andreessen Horowitz? They are a VC firm that backs bold entrepreneurs building the future in various disciplines like crypto, enterprise, AI, fintech, games, and in general towards American dynamism. And this venture capitalist firm has around 35 billion US dollars in assets under management across multiple funds. The great thing about this A16Z is that it is not just some financial gurus who have gotten together and built this firm. They are the former CEOs, CTOs, founders who know what it takes to be a founder and entrepreneur, and then that is why they back up the projects from seed and take it through the whole process. Really impressed by the work and the bloke is doing, and then very generous of this VC firm to back people like the bloke and various others who have done and still doing great work. So that's it. I just wanted to appreciate and acknowledge not only AK this A16Z but also Tom Jobbins or the bloke for the help he is rendering for the general community. So thanks for watching. I hope that you liked it. If you have any questions, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.